Everyone, day 6 of the 100 days Python course. Today we are going to talk about the definition of the data types in Python. So there are 5 types of data types in Python. The first one is integer. Integer includes all numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all numbers. Second, string. String includes the combination of words or sentences. Like if I'm going to add my name in a variable, then it will come into the string data type. Third is float. Float includes the decimal type of number like 25.9, 6.3, 62.5, all these things. Boolean, it's a data type with two possible values, true and false. True represents 1 and false represents 0. It's just like a math. It came from the Boolean algebras. Okay. And the fifth is none. None is a keyword used to define the null value or no value at all. Like in the variable we did not give any number or any value, that will come into the null. Thank you. That's all for today. We'll talk later.